Hi, Jeffrey G. Marsacci, attorney at law, and we're talking today about how long does probate take? I get that question all the time. Well, how long is this process going to take? Honestly, it takes as long as it takes. The typical time for probate is between 6 months and a year and a half, and that's just average. And there are so many different estates that have so many different characteristics and so many different assets, and some have more complications than others, that really it's 6 months to a year and a half. That's just as broad and as precise as we can be. It's that period of time. And for an estate to go 2 years or more is really not unheard of. Now, one of the things that we try to do in our office is we always try to get everything done by the first year so that it's done and taken care of. And we always want to be as quick and efficient as possible. Now, what are some of the things that kind of stand in the way from that happening? Unfortunately, we have a lot of clients who are the executor or the administrator, and they don't want to turn over that responsibility to us. And we find that there are things that are not done precisely the way they need to be done. Things take a lot more time to get time out of work to go and get paper signed, to go see a financial institution, to go to this place, to come into the law office and get things signed. So one of the things that we're doing to really cut down on that time is we're offering to be the personal representative for the estate, either the executive or the administrator, and the paperwork gets signed. And then the beneficiary paperwork, it's signing receipts to get the checks for their inheritances. We try to make that as easy as possible. We were working and we're just finishing up one particular case that I know has taken about 4 months longer than it needed to, just because there were co-executors. They didn't want to turn that process over to us. And one of the executors was out of town, and we had to keep sending paperwork, and well, I'll get around to it. I need to go to a notary, and it just took a lot longer than it really needed to. So cutting down on time is one of the things that we really work on. But I'm sorry, we can't be more precise than saying 6 months to a year and a half, but that's just the reality of how estates go. So if you do have any questions, please let us know. You can call us at the office at 919-844-7993, or you can get more information on probate at our website, estate911.com. And there's even a place to sign up to get a free copy of the book if you're a North Carolina resident. Thank you and have a great day.